Nemo nemo ezibone chukubiko gazera nemo ezibone mama. Mama. So if you're a mama, please give yourself a pat on the back. I mean, it is not easy to be a mom. It is not easy or zero easy. That's why today the world celebrates you, even though we deserve to be celebrated every day. But today the world has chosen to celebrate us. So please, mama, aka. Odiro easy, my darlings. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. To my new viewers, you're welcome. My name is Becky, aka Becky the Mommy. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family, okay? I wouldn't want this video to be the last video you watch in my channel, so please hit the subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up, okay, while you watch. Okay, my darlings, my oldies, you guys are amazing. Thank you for the love and constant support shown to my channel. My people, now hurry, they hurry like this, so I'm almost running late, I just decided to come, do this final touch up on my face while I talk, okay, so I'll be able to do a proper intro before I head for church, okay? Today is Mothering Sunday. I think I've said this before, and today is our day. I'm gonna show you guys my full outfit, okay? But this is the jewelry I'm trying to wear. My bangle. Okay, yeah. So my darlings, I have a lot planned out for today. Let me quickly show you guys what the jewelry I want to wear looks like. I mean, a close-up video. So yeah, like as I was saying, I have a lot planned out today. After church, we should be stopping by a grocery mall. Reason because we don't have a lot of things available anymore at home. Yeah, so would most likely leave church very early to go to a grocery mall, buy some things in the grocery store, and then we will head to the market, okay, to shop for food items. And once we get back home, I'm gonna cook. As a mama, yes, I need to cook, and we don't have soup, we don't have stew. And you guys, I've always said it in my vlogs, stew is a real helper. I mean, in the course of the week, anyone doing school runs should know this. So whenever I make stew down, it's easy for me to make jollof rice for my girls to take to school, or jollof spag. So yeah, that's one of the major reasons why I love having what? Stew. So I'm going to be making proper Nigerian chicken stew today. And of course, I'm a Rivers woman. Legodi, I'm a Rivers woman. And we love soup. I don't know if the powder I'm putting on my face is enough. And we love soup. We love swallow. So I'm going to be making ogbono soup. Ogbono. I mean ogbono ijo. Ijo ogbono. That type that draws. A You know, Korean like this. No sogi. No me So yeah, my darlings, I'm getting making a bono soup and chicken stew and rice. I mean, in every Nigerian home on a Sunday, you must see rice and stew. So those are the two. Oh, I've not zipped the back of this dress. So those are the two food I'll be cooking. I don't know how to do too much makeup on my face, so the little one I know how to do. Guys, I'm Anglican, okay? And as an Anglican woman, on Modern Sundays, we wear white, all white. Let me show you guys what I'm wearing. You guys will be seeing the full outfit later. Okay? It's a skirt and a top, okay? A skirt and a top, a skirt and a top. So yeah, I really ought to wear blue scarf, but the blue scarf I had in mind to wear, I didn't tie it. So this is auto gele, and I don't really like tying this auto gele. I don't know, for whatever reason I feel it looks funny, but let me see how it goes. Let me see how it goes. If I don't like it, I will end up wearing my cap. What do they call it? Turban. If I don't like how this auto gele turns out, I guess I'll end up wearing the turban. Even if the color for today is white and blue. So my darlings, I'm done tying. What do you guys think? I think it came out lovely though. Ooh, look at that. Came out beautiful. Wow, I'm ready. I'm ready. See, and I was going to wear this turban, should in case this auto gele does not sit well. But I think it sits well. So turban, you go and rest. Okay. I'll wear some other time. So, and then I am ready. I am ready. Of course, I'm not going to church with this fan, okay? I'm just showing off my craft, my darlings. This is what I do. If you want a showcase, if you want lace fabric, say for ashebi or for bridal outfit, be it the first outing or second outing or even reception panel dresses, I have them all available in my store, Be Classic store. Check me out on IG, my darlings. If you have a bride to be as a friend or a sister, please tell them about Be Classic store. I make lovely jewelries. As you can see, my customized jewelries. I actually made this particular set yesterday, okay? And what else? Yes, hand fan, feather hand fan. I also craft feather hand fan. Okay, so I have everything available for TM. So if you have, TM is traditional marriage ceremony, rather. Yes, traditional marriage ceremony, TMC. So my darlings, I'm ready to go to church, and I'll definitely be taking you guys along with me. So please keep watching, and while you watch, do not forget to like this video. You guys know I always say that like the video, it helps my channel grow, and also it encourages me. Keep watching. And then the mama is so bread has been paid for. Don't carry the bread. How much? It was 10,000. Huh? No, when you finish, you beg for it.
My baby, my wife, oh, my wife, oh, my wife, oh, my life, my everything, my wife, oh, she love me better, oh, my baby, my wife, oh, 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 oh. Sugar mo, hey, hey, honey mo, now my own, oh, my baby, my wife, oh. For blessing in my life, the highest blessing in my wife. Oh. She know how to sweet in my life, how to cool my heart. Cause you know Lord in my day, no day, she go dey manage you. My wife, oh, my wife, oh, my life, my everything, my wife, oh, she love me better. My baby, my wife, oh, oh, oh. Sugar mo, hey, hey, honey mo, now my own, oh, my baby, my wife, oh, my wife, oh, my wife, oh, my life, my everything. love me better. Mwata dema, echeta nata, my baby, my wife, oh, my wife, oh, my wife, oh, my life, my everything, my wife, oh, she love me better. Mwata